Welcome to Edurific. So, in the previous sections, we have learned many things using the artist lab, such as creating simple shapes of a square, creating simple patterns such as a triangular pattern and a pentagonal pattern, and a little harder patterns of a squarion and a decagonal pattern, and also creating illusions and trying out sketching some logos. So, in this section, we shall be creating something new, such as creating designs. So now, shall we begin? So basically, aren't you bored of the same artist all through the artist lab? So we shall be changing our artist today in this session. So for that, we shall click the actions category, drag the set character command, place it in the section and choose any character, be it Anna or Elsa. So I'll choose Elsa. So these are characters from Frozen, if you remember. So now we shall be making Elsa draw design according to our pattern. So firstly, we'll ask her to create a snowflake. For that, we shall go to function, drag, we create a snowflake. And there are different types of snowflakes like a square, parallelogram, line, flower, etc. We will choose a square. Now, since we have done that, what will Elsa do is, firstly, she'll create a snowflake of the square type. Next, around the snowflake, we want her to create small designs. How do we do that? So, for that, once she completes the snowflake, we'll ask her to jump forward. So for this, we should go to the actions category, drag the jump forward command. The jump command does not trace the path followed by the artist or Elsa, and here, we shall make it 150. So after jumping forward, we'll have to make Elsa create a snowflake of the type square, or anything up to you. I will be choosing a square. For this, I'll go to the functions category, drag the create a snowflake of type square and assemble it in the script. Now, after this, again, we have to make Elsa jump to the center position, that is from where she has jumped to create a snowflake of the type square. So for that, again, we'll go into the actions category, drag the jump command, assemble it here, and change the position from middle center. So basically, she'll be going back to the center position again. From there, she'll be creating a pattern. For that, we should go to the actions category again, drag the turn left command and make it 60. So for if we make it 60 divided by 360 divided by 60 gives us 6. So we'll be having one snowflake in the center and 6 snowflakes around it. If we make the 60 degrees to 90, we'll be basically having 4. So this is up to you. But before Elsa should begin, we should have to repeat these commands. Instead of repeating, we can go to the loop section, drag the repeat command and place it here. Drag all of these commands here and make it repeat 6 times. So basically what we are doing is, we have set the character to Elsa. Elsa will be creating a snowflake of the type square wherever she is standing, that is in the middle. After creating it, From the ending point of the design, she will move forward to 150 pixels, and wherever she is, again she'll be creating a snowflake of the type square. And once she has done, she comes back to the middle position and turns left by 60 degrees. Again she will be jumping forward, creating a snowflake, jumping back, and again turn to left 60 degrees, and this repeats 6 times. Shall we see how this works? So for seeing the code executed, we shall have to be clicking the run button. As you can see, Elsa started drawing square pattern in the middle of the pattern. Now, we are still drawing to move forward by 1. Continuing to draw the square pattern, and this will happen 6 times. So she goes back to the center again, and from there she will take a 60 degree left turn, started drawing again. Finish her second pattern, goes back to the center, 60 degree turn, and draws another pattern. Similarly, we will be drawing all the other patterns to Isn't it very beautiful? Yes. We can also make it of different patterns. For example, we'll reset it. We shall say repeat it 4 times, and we shall say a spiral or a fractal, and then we shall say (120 degrees). And now we shall try to execute the code. Or we shall even change the middle pattern by saying a flower. Now we can run the code. As you can see, a different pattern is being drawn by the flower pattern drawn by completed. She ahead and draws it back to snowflake pattern. So since we are given 120 degrees, it is a 360 degrees that is 3 times the object on canvas with 3 parallel snowflakes. So now Elsa will go back to the take a 120 degree turn as you can see, now he's drawing the After this, it comes to an end and it comes back to middle center rotation. I hope you have enjoyed seeing this and will obviously try to learn and explore more patterns and designs that you will be using the same commands or different commands to create beautiful decorative patterns through Elsa or Anna and relive your frozen moments. Thank you so much. Please do like, share, and subscribe.